Welcome back to Karenliz TV, and for today's video is a collaboration video with heyitskiimmii or Kimmii on YouTube and also on Instagram. We decided to do this makeup tutorial collaboration, and ito yung aming pin-up makeup inspired. Coffee muna ako. And actually, nagawa ko na pala to before, pero naka-hide siya kasi may copyright problem. So, hinide ko na lang. Pin-private ko na lang. So, okay. Without further ado, let's get started. First, I'll be moisturizing my face using the Bench Organics Face and Body Mist. And ang dami ko talagang pimples. I don't know why. Ayan guys, oh. So, we will try to hide yung ating mga sumpa. Next, I'll be using this primer, the Face Shop Air Cotton Makeup Base. And this is in the shade or code Mint. Habang pinapatuyo natin, next naman, I'm going to do my kilay first. And I'll be using Tropicana Brownies Brow Pencil. So, this is in the shade... Wait, I'm not sure sa shade na. So, mananahimik muna ako because this is, you know, kilay is life. Konting chika lang while I'm doing my brows. Last night, nanood kami ng The House of Us, yung kay Daniel and Catherine. And super nagandahan ako sa contact lens si Catherine. And also yung mga lipsticks na ginamit niya doon. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano-anong mga lipsticks yun. Sabi ko, ang ganda. In fairness, maganda siya. Hindi ako fan ng Katniel, pero hindi rin naman ako hater. So, ayan ang dahilan kung bakit inuuna ko ang brows. Kasi magkaiba talaga ang shape ng brows ko. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, aayusin natin itong makapal. Kaya inuuna ko ang brows. Now, you know. Ang galing-galing. Akala ko nagre-record, hindi tuloy nakuha ang sakila. And then, ang ginamit ko to cover or clean my brows is the Detail Makeover Pro Foundation Quad. The hell, yan. Sinasabi ko nga kanina, I'm not blessed with a great kilay. Si Kimmii, check niyo yung account ni Kimmii and you'll see yung blessed talaga ang kilay. Ang kapal, ang ganda, super bongga. Next, I'll be using this foundation, the Maybelline Super Stay, in the shade 128, Warm Nude. Pero sa Fit Me, 220 na ako. Dahil kailangan ko na ma-cover up yung mga pimples. So, kailangan natin ng full coverage foundation. After that, kuha ako ng ibang brush kasi medyo nag-streaky siya. Next naman, ang gagamitin ko ang concealer ay the Full Cover Liquid Concealer. So, medyo hintayin lang natin na mag-set dyan. Patagalin natin ng onte. Next, nakalimutan ko pala kanina, I'll be using this Etude House Color My Brows. So, for the powder, I'll be using the Sassy Colors Super Sassy Color Super Smooth 2-in-1 Foundation in the shade Natural. And ang ganda din ito. Yan. Feel ko nga nag-oxidize siya, yung color niya. Kakabukas ko, parang mas naging yellowish siya. Dati hindi naman super parang yellow na ganyan. Alam mo, hindi to palang nag-oxidize na yung color. Pero okay lang because I like it. Dahil nga, yung ibang foundation sa akin ay maputi. Eyeshadow. I'll be using the Detail Makeover Autumn Eyeshadow. Hindi ko pa ito nagagamit. This is a cruelty-free eyeshadow palette distributed by Cosmetics Unlimited. It has 15 colors and ayan. Gusto ko to. May paganyan siya. Makita mo yung mga shades. First is I'll be using this Nox na color. And may mga fallout siya. Very onti lang naman. Very pigmented ng color. Ilalagay ko lang yung Nox all over my lid. After using Nox, gamitin ko naman shade na Opal. Ito, nasa gilid. And as usual, yung pag-eyeshadow ko, lalagay ko dito sa outer. Then, I'll be using the shade Kale. Ito. Lalagay ko siya sa middle part. Alright. Eyeliner na tayo and gagamitin ko eyeliner is the Careline Basic, Better Than Basic Graphic Liner. Next, maglalagay naman ako ng false eyelashes. And ito yung gagamitin ko. Freebie ng Your Palette Store. And ganito siya. Ayan. Ito. May nakalagay na glue. Next, I'll be using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara para mas ma-volumize yung aking lashes. And of course, lalagyan ko yung aking lower lashes. And then, lalagyan ko pala ng white eyeliner yung aking waterline, lower waterline, pero very light lang. I'll be using the Super Beauty Contouring Kit. Then next, para mas clean yung ating contour, gagamitin ko ulit itong Sassy Colors na foundation and gagamit naman ako ng sponge para ma-press ko yung powder sa my contour. So, iset lang natin for the meantime dyan. And next, I'll be doing my blush. And ang gamitin ko ay Natural Organics blush palette and eyeshadow palette. Ganyan. And I'll be using this color right here kasi ganda-ganda niya. Parang mauve blush. And very pigmented din ito. Kaya lightly touch lang yung aking skin. And then, i-blend out lang natin yung powder kasi sapat na yan. Sapat na. Next is highlighter. Yay! For the highlight, I'll be using the EB Advanced Glow Out Highlighter in the shade Strobe. Next ay lipstick na tayo, and I'll be using the Crave Mineral French Kiss lipstick in the shade Russian Red. And ayun siya. We're done with the makeup look. Ayusin na lang natin ng aking hair, and I'll be back. Hi! Ayan na siya, guys. Wala tayong ibang panyo. Pero mas maganda pang wala. So, guys, this is my pin-up makeup inspired look. Ayan, tutorial. And ito yung aming collab ni heyitskiimmii. Thank you, Malos, for watching. Hope you enjoyed and may natutunan kayo sa video na to. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you on the next one, Malos. Bye! Please don't forget also to check heyitskiimmii's video. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description box below. Bye!